All right, and I think we're live. Yeah, it's gold. Okay. Now I'm ready. Let's check I'm in the good camera angle. Yeah, right. Get my mic right here. Get my journal right here. Okay. And my pencil I'll get later. All right. Let's get to it. So first things up, on the Gapper scanner we have cells here. Creative Medical Technology Holdings. They got some sort of news about some sort of IRB approval. So they definitely have a catalyst. They have a float of 13 million here. Gapped up around 157%. Total volume 43 million shares of volume. Relative volume 5,000 times the normal average. And they have range, so it's looking like Celis has all the check marks cut out for it. Let's see what we can make happen out of Celis. It's very cheap, so I can move my average to 150 because of how cheap it is. Of course, we also have other stocks on the watch list, such as Hoth. Such as Hoth here. We're gonna keep an eye on this. Gonna put the resistance line right here. Gonna put another line right here. Create an alert once we get across this move. So we're gonna just be patient, let the things play out. Hoth might come up. If it comes up, we'll get alerted. We'll keep an eye on it. For now, we're only looking at cells right here. Nice VWAP support on this area. It's ideally what I want to see. I want to see a lot of support. A lot of buyers buying up that dips. Okay, we have huge bids here. Huge bids here. What is that telling me? That's telling me that they're buying up those dips. They're buying up those dips. Getting a lot of people buying up those dips there, so we're going to be patient. That was a clear indication of a lot of dip buying. Let's check everything's good with my OBS studio. Stop streaming. Start recording. Yeah, let's start recording in case we get a good move out here. Alright, but sells, overall trend does look weak. Extend this to the left. Next profit target above this level could probably be in this 1.90 range, I'll say. That's a good estimate. Okay. Where did this line come from? Okay, this line came from this previous high here. Let's see if that previous high at 1.19 could hold support here. Okay, and we have QUBT. So CELZHOTH and QUBT right here. Today's going to be a short trading day. QUBT. I am liking that bull flag on the 5 minute. Nice little form. That could definitely be something we could play today. Zells is starting to curl back up. I'm gonna stick with Zells. And we're still getting a lot of choppy movement here on Zells. A lot of choppiness on everything, really. Cells flushing down. Jeez. Oh, wow. Well, if it holds this area, it could potentially then come back up, but it's got to at least hold this area. If not, it's going to keep on dipping, and then it'll take longer for it to come back up. If it comes back up, it'll be a minute. The bid slash asks spread is very heavy. Okay, QUBT is probably going to be the one. I'm going to keep an alert here. Whoop, QUBT, don't go out without me now. Okay, might take a starter position here. I like what I'm seeing. Gonna get in at 2.5. Gonna get in at 2.5 here. Is it gonna break? I don't know. Let's find out. Probably. Oh, nice. Don't want to add another shares. Don't want to add more shares yet. My average is 2. I want to add on a dip. Adding at that dip. Hold for me. Hold for me. Average 2.51. Not selling off yet. We still got support on the VWAP. Not selling off yet. My average 2.51. We're at 2.49. We're good. We are chilling. At least until this range right here, we are good. If we get too close to that range bottom, to that bottom area, then I'll flush out. We okay? You okay? Let's see. Are we gonna get that pump up? Nope. We did not. We did not. Could have even sold earlier too. Yeah. Oh well. Now we wait. Now we wait. Gonna set up my tablet, my second scanner. QUBT. What's up with Q? Quantum Computing Inc. Quantum Computing Inc. received subcontract to support NASA to test quantum sensing solutions for monitoring climate change. Interesting. Very interesting.
RIOT.
CELZ is going for a downhill mission. Go. Trying to find any stocks that has some good sort of setup. Not finding anything today. So today we're just gonna be patient. What happened to Hoth? Wasn't that on a watch list earlier? Yeah, also kind of flush below. I mean, this one looks like it could come back up on a inverse head and shoulders pattern, maybe just a bear trap and flush up, come up. Sells, on the other hand, has a strong bearish formation. Buyers try to push it up, sellers instantly pushed it back down. So now this line kind of gets invalidated here. Let's see how this area now reacts to the new. Let's see how this new price action now reacts. Is the market selling off? Because that could explain this. No, the market's not selling off. Interesting. Well, it might be about to sell off. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Back to reality. Back to reality. Alright, sellers. Okay. Now it's looking nice. Could potentially get a crow back up. Now we have a little breakout level right here. Okay. I like how it's forming now. Let's see. Let's see what ends up happening. It says ICU is halted. Let's go investigate. What is ICU up to? Halted up because it went up more than 5%. Too quick. Interesting. Not a lot of liquidity on this. I'm looking at the tape and it's very slow, as you see here. The level 2 isn't moving. And it's about to get halted on the downside. The SQL is coming up. However, that was a stock for yesterday, not today. So I'm not interested. Not interested. Okay, on the 5 minute, I could kind of see now a red to green pattern forming. I could kind of anticipate that this here I could add here at this level for the break of this level. Okay, I see the kind of game I want to play now. I'm gonna put in a bid at 1.15. That's how low I want to start averaging in. Well, there's no guarantee it's going to come down here, so. Okay, 100 shares in at 1.15. That's what I'm going to start averaging in. Unless it just flushes below. What I'm ideally looking for is just a sideways movement in this area. Push back up. Retest at 1.42. I only have 100 shares in, so I can kind of hold my stop loss a little loose here. Even though, yeah, after that point, after a move like this, then it's kind of clear that I'm not going to get what I want. Unless it's a liquidity grab. I'm seeing a lot of green on the tape, pushing the price up. It could be a liquidity grab. The fact is I'm also trading on a day that just doesn't I'm not seeing the movement. I'm not seeing the plays. I'm not seeing the. If it was a liquidity grab and a bear trap, it would have just pushed right back up. But it's not. It's not. Today's trading day just kind of shitty, honestly. Sells. I could have made money on sells. I was here in the morning. I could have made money here if I'd been up at 8. Saw it solidifies around 1, goes out to 1.4. I could have made money there. Hmm. Mm-hmm. I'll stick around for a while. Stick around here, patient for a while, and all right. I might have to take some looks at the stocks shooting up on the bull flag scanner. KD here. It's already overextended. I kind of already missed the move up. I don't want to risk that light volume. Okay, that was interesting. Still light volume. All right, I'm gonna look at SQL real quick because I'm seeing a nice fat pattern here. Pull back onto 9 EMA here. But it's just not in play. I mean, I'm not gonna trade a stock that's just not in play today. It's just this is not an A+ quality stock setup that I'm looking for, unfortunately. And I guess some days we have days like this. If sales doesn't want to wake up and crow back up, neither does QUBT, which is, forget about QUBT. If sales doesn't hit, then nothing hits today. I'm not gonna trade SQL just because it's not a stock in play. I mean, it's not. Why would I get involved? Just to try to make money on a day that it's not. It's not that type of day. If this level breaks and it keeps on flushing below, then yeah, I'll keep the scanner on and the computer on, but I'll probably just turn off the stream and just go do some other work. Yeah, we're done. We're done. We're done. What about the overall market? Nothing of interest. Maybe TCAT. Not enough range. Overextended. Has no news. Yeah, if I gotta go, like, just wait until something happens, then I don't want that. MSG. Let's see. Maybe something could happen here. It has a sufficient volume that we need. Profit target within the vicinity. 19. 20. And 19.5 we'll have just in case here. Okay. Now, reduce share size to 25. No, let's wait for some sort of good entry that we can find, that we can pinpoint. Just customize this. There we go. Again, if I have to go to this length, start trading stocks that aren't in play, it's not a good day. I could try to run the breakout here at 17.99. Try to run the breakout there at 17.992 is my average. Only 25 shares. I want to see if I get the little scalp up to 18.5 maybe. If I can get it, then I'll just stop it out. I'm seeing a kind of like an ABCD flag there. A little bit of that. Kind of seeing curl back up. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to add any more shares. I don't think so. And I'm out. Broke that little support line of these two candles right here. And flushed them. All right, yeah. I mean, I'm gonna call it just a small red day, $45 red day. But it was handled well. It was handled well. Today is just a really shitty day. The only thing that would kind of be like, oh, okay, maybe that could happen would be if sells curls back up to this level. Then I'll be like, oh, okay, now we could get to 1.4. Kind of going above them, exponential moving average could be interesting to see out here. The bid is heavily stacked right here at 107. 1.07 right here. Let's see how the price reacts to that. The bid is heavily stacked. The bid is heavily stacked at 107. If those orders get filled, will they push the price down? I believe so. I saw something interesting. The bids were stacked all the way down here. Like this one at 105. These guys are waiting for the price to come to them at such lower prices. Huh. I was finally able to catch that here. That's very interesting. Look again, it happened again right there. Oh, look right here. You see there's some space here, and then the bids are stacked down here. That's even more bearish, because the buyers with such huge quantities of orders waiting to get filled are patiently waiting for the price to come to them. Which is a very bearish signal. Huh. Well, bearish in like the short term. So now we see this ask side more heavily sided. So now let's see how the price reacts to it. Having asks up here, 108. $28,000 share position right here on this guy. Bearish signals here. Let's see. A lot of people really trying to get that price above 1.08. CVNA halted here. Let's see what we can make happen. Have the sufficient volume needed. See what we can make happen off this. Just got resumed, waiting for the potential dip to hit the rip. Want to get in at 16. Let's see if that works the way I expected. If not, I'm out. Stop loss beef on 15.8. I'm out. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna call it because I'm starting to make trades that I'm not supposed to be doing, and even though my loss is still small, only $58, we're gonna want to keep it that way. We're gonna want to keep it low. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.